You've just hit 30, and suddenly it clicks. Time is slipping away, yet your bank balance isn't where you dreamed it would be. You feel like you're standing still while the rest of the world is sprinting ahead. Many people at this age feel a sense of financial anxiety, a quiet fear that they've missed the boat. But let me tell you a secret. The next 10 years are your golden window. This is the ultimate decade for a total financial transformation. Today, I'm going to reveal a step-by-step roadmap used by the world's elite to crush debt and build a multi-million-dollar foundation before you hit 40. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. It's about a proven, mathematical path to freedom. Grab a pen and paper, because we are starting right now. Step 1 is the most painful, but necessary. You must find the courage to cut the chains of consumer debt. Consumer debt, from high-interest credit cards to those low monthly payment plans on gadgets, is the single biggest anchor holding you back from your potential. Think about it. When you carry debt, you are literally working for your past instead of your future. You are a slave to a purchase you made months or even years ago. Remember, instant gratification is the ultimate enemy of long-term wealth. To break free, you must use the debt snowball method. List your debts from smallest to largest. Ignore the interest rates for a moment and attack the smallest one with everything you've got. The psychological win of seeing a balance hit zero is what fuels you to finish the race. The lesson is simple. If you want true freedom, you must pay the price of delayed gratification today so you can live like no one else tomorrow. Once the debt is under control, you need to master the art of cash flow. As the CEO of your own life, you cannot manage what you do not measure. Most people think they know where their money goes, but the truth is usually hidden in small, unmonitored leaks. This is where the zero-based budget becomes your most powerful tool. In this system, every single dollar you earn is assigned a specific mission before the month begins. Income minus expenses must equal exactly zero. If you have $100 left over, that $100 needs a name. Call it investment or extra debt payment. When you master the small amounts, you prove to yourself that you are ready for much larger ones. Don't ever wonder where your money went at the end of the month. Instead, stand your ground and tell it exactly where to go. As you move forward, you must build your own safety net, a shield against the unexpected. At 30, you are the primary protector of your future. Relying on luck or family is no longer a strategy. Your goal is a fully funded emergency fund of 3 to 6 months of total living expenses. This isn't just a bank account, it's anxiety insurance. Peace of mind is the invisible foundation of every smart investment. You cannot make rational, long-term decisions when you are stressed about an unexpected car repair or a sudden job loss. Keep this money in a separate, liquid, high-yield account. It's not meant to make you rich. It's meant to keep you from falling back into the trap of debt when life happens. And believe me, life will happen. With your foundation secured, it's time to trigger the greatest force in the universe, compound interest. This is where you transition from working for money to making money work for you. The numbers are staggering when you look at them closely. If you start investing consistently at age 30, even with a modest amount, the exponential growth over 30 years is massive. But here's the warning. If you wait just 5 or 10 more years to start, you might have to invest double or triple the amount just to catch up to the same result. The biggest lesson in wealth building isn't about picking the perfect stock, it's about the time in the market. Don't wait until you think you're rich enough to invest. You must invest specifically so that you become rich. Every dollar you invest in your 30s is like a seed. that will grow into a massive oak tree by the time you retire. However, as you grow, you must learn the order of operations, especially regarding your children's future. Many well-meaning parents sacrifice their own retirement to fund their children's college education. While noble, this is a strategic error. You must secure your own future before you can truly be a blessing to someone else. Think of it like the oxygen mask on an airplane. Put yours on first. Your children can take out a student loan or earn a scholarship, but no one is going to give you a retirement loan. Only after you are debt-free and investing at least 15% of your household income for yourself should you look into specialized education funds. By being financially independent, you are giving your children the greatest gift of all, the certainty that they will never have to support you financially in your old age. The sixth step in this roadmap is the aggressive pursuit of a debt-free home. For most people, a mortgage is the largest monthly expense. Imagine what your life would look like if that payment simply vanished. Freeing yourself from a mortgage is the ultimate key to unlocking massive monthly cash flow and accelerating your wealth building to light speed. Many financial gurus tell you to keep the loan because of tax breaks or low interest rates, but they forget the power of risk. A paid-for home has a 0% interest rate and 100% certainty. The wealthiest individuals I know don't care about a small tax deduction. They care about the absolute freedom that comes when no bank has a claim on the roof over their head. Finally, the ultimate secret to lasting prosperity, and the one most people fail at, is fighting lifestyle inflation. As your career progresses and your income rises, the temptation to upgrade everything will be overwhelming. A bigger house, a faster car, more expensive vacations. This is a trap. If you increase your spending at the same rate as your income, you are simply a higher-paid slave. If you get a promotion or your business thrives, keep your expenses exactly where they were and move the entire surplus into your investments. Remember, true wealth is what people don't see. It's the stocks in your portfolio, the real estate you own, and the freedom in your schedule. Looking rich is often just a mask for being broke at a higher level. Keeping your standard of living steady while your income soars is the fastest, most reliable path to absolute, undeniable freedom. Building wealth is not a miracle or a stroke of luck. It is the result of consistently taking the right steps in the right order over a long period. The sooner you act, the more the math works in your favor. Your 30s are not the end of your youth. They are the starting line of your financial empire. If this roadmap opened a new perspective for you today, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. I am here to help you navigate this journey toward financial independence. And to start the most important step right now, mastering your cash flow, click the video appearing on your screen. I'll show you exactly how to set up a professional budget in just 5 minutes. Your future self will thank you for the work you start today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.